Glad you could join us on the 3-day weather forecast. Weather chart shows movement of moist southwesterly winds from the coast extending to the north, which is a very good condition for cloud build-up that can translate to rainfall. And so for the rest of Tuesday afternoon, there are chances of isolated thunderstorm to most parts of the coast, extending to the inland cities of the southeast, to include parts of Benue in the north central and Taraba in the north. Maximum temperature should range between 29 to 42 degrees Celsius over the north and the north central region, while the southern half of the country should have a temperature between 32 to 36 degrees Celsius. The quality of air is expected to be moderate and safe for cities in yellow coloration, while cities in orange coloration should be unhealthy for sensitive group. For Wednesday morning, patches of cloud with sunshine at interval should prevail over most parts of the north down to the southern region of the country, with likelihood of isolated thunderstorm to the stretch of the coast, extending to parts of Ogun and Edo in the inland states. As the day progresses, there are better prospects of thunderstorm to most parts of the south, to include parts of the Federal Capital Territory, Niger, Kwara, and Nasarawa in the north central region. There are also chances of thunderstorm to most parts of the northeast, to include parts of Zamfara and Kebbi in the northwest. Daytime temperature is expected to increase over the north, as it should range between 40 to 43 degrees Celsius in the north and the north central region. The south should have a temperature between 30 to 36 degrees Celsius. The quality of air should be mostly unhealthy in red coloration and unhealthy for sensitive group in orange coloration. Thursday morning holds good prospects of rains accompanied with thunder to parts of the south, extending to Kwara, Nasarawa, and the Federal Capital Territory in the north central. Sokoto, Zamfara, Kebbi, Kaduna, Taraba, and Adamawa states in the north. For the afternoon and evening hours, the north and the north central region should be mostly cloudy with sunshine at interval. However, there are prospects of thunderstorm to parts of the Federal Capital Territory, Kogi, and few cities in the south. There are chances of maximum temperature to further appreciate, as we expect parts of Yobe to have a temperature of 45 degrees Celsius. Other parts of the north should have a temperature range between 36 to 43 degrees Celsius. The north central and the south should have a temperature between 31 to 37 degrees Celsius. The quality of air is expected to be unhealthy over the north and moderate in the north and the southern part of the country. And that's where we wrap up the forecast. I am Ese Sampson. Thank you.